I'm Maurice Green. I'm the Senior Credit Coach for GATT Enterprises LLC. Welcome back, or if this is your first time, welcome. Okay. The question today is, what are the best kept credit repair secrets? Wow. I'm going to answer that question this way. First of all, I don't like the word credit repair because that is a system or a program that has been designed just to send in dispute letters to the credit reporting agencies in order to provoke them to conduct an investigation, and after that it's nothing else. It's a big fight from that point on, a major challenge, and they are up for the challenge. The system is designed for them to challenge you wholeheartedly. So that being said, I don't really promote credit repair. I believe in credit restoration, and some people might think that's something different, but when you're dealing with your credit, it's more to just getting derogatory stuff off your credit report. First of all, you challenge them based off the law versus based off stating or making a claim that the accounts are not accurate or reporting accurate. It could be that. I just don't know. The main part of it is actually building. So I would say the best kept secret is the law really does work. Okay, if you know how to work it. But if you don't know how to work it, I strongly suggest that you get a professional. Click the link below. Call the 800 number. Get a coach. Get a professional on your side, and watch your life change. Okay, so I don't really know if that answered your question or not, but there's really no best kept secrets because everyone knows about it now. So anyway, I hope that cleared up the question, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.